The reason that I started doing this, though, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I want you all to grow food forests for yourselves so that you can thrive. But there's a little bit of a hidden agenda. I want the world to live this way. I want my kids to grow up in a regenerative, sustainable life where they don't have to walk outside and be doused with all the things going on. I mean, everything from emotional media toxicities to just poor habits and health and chemical inundation of our food supplies and toxins in the water and all these other things that we can get into, right? The list goes on. It's all, and I don't even need to say it. It's all over the news, it's in the medias, it's social medias, Facebook, plastered on your wall, it's everywhere. And so my approach is not to say, okay, here's all the problems. My approach is to say, you already know the problems. I'm going to give you the solutions. So here's the answers. And I want my children to grow up in that paradigm and have those answers. And so the more people I can teach, the more people living that way, the faster their world, their generation will live that way. So it's about the kids for me. It's about getting the new generation on board. And we do that by as parents through example, right? That's kind of the whole kicker of being in a community, is that the next generation raises in that community. And so what that community is about, next generation is about. I want to help create a permaculture people. I want to, and permaculture, if you start to research permaculture, you're going to find some weird stuff. There's a lot of people in the world, a lot of people have different ideas about things, and permaculture being a sustainable ecological design, there's also a whole area of permaculture where it can become very woo-woo and either fear-based or just totally off the rocker in hippie world, or really balanced between the two, but stuck because they're trapped between, I got to take care of everything, but there's so much toxins and things going on in the world, I don't even know, like it's overwhelmed. And so permaculture space being such a broad topic and having so many areas of discussion, it can really knock people for a loop, right? And so this is a little bit about me and what we're doing. And my goal is to teach you the regenerative paradigm today so that you can go home and apply it in your gardens tomorrow.
Yeah, I had a mentor once that told me, if you have an idea, chances are you got the idea right after somebody over here had the need of it. And so one point or another, your paths will cross and you'll have the solution for this person.